So this one's interesting. I'm not 100% sure what's going on up here, but the Jeep pulled in like he was going to try and back down, and it kind of looks like he just doesn't have enough room to get the trailer straight. But it looks like he's trying to wait on the guys in the red truck. So he tries to back up a little bit here, but he's not getting what he's looking for. I'm not sure how he's going to play this one. So he's somebody, the Jeep guy is trying to talk to him. The guy just kind of brushed him off. And now this dude's going to step on the trailer from the Jeep guy as he walks toward the red truck. Jeep's still in reverse. So he tries to talk to that guy as well. And this guy looks like he's asking them to pull it forward maybe or move so we can try and get a little room. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and if you can't tell, we are down here visiting 79th today. So they're talking to the dude in the Jeep. And it looks, is somebody going to get in the truck? It looks like the guy's maybe going to, no, he's still just talking to the truck. And they're like looking at him like, bro, just do it. Put the trailer in. But I just think he's kind of got himself stuck. And here we go. Somebody's getting in the red truck now. So hopefully they can pull it a little bit forward and give him a little more room to work. But honestly, in this situation, he could have used the boat ramp as well. The Jeep could have come down to give himself a little bit more of an angle. There we go. Starts pulling it forward. And the guy's over here talking to him too as well. And there we go. The red truck's finally going to pull all the way forward. Now they're going to give him plenty of room to work. And he should have enough room to try and back this thing down now. As they walk behind the trailer as he's trying to back it up. Oh, man. So here we go. He finally gets his turn on and starts getting it coming back toward where he needs to go. So it looks like the guy that was stepping on the trailer earlier is actually with him. So that's a little better than just some random guy stepping on your trailer as you're trying to back it up. So he's not going to make it on the first pull here. He's got to pull back forward again to try and get it more over. And there we go. Going to get to start moving around. And I think he's missing again. Yep. He's going to have to pull forward again, I think. Maybe he can get it. He's trying. No, there you go. But I guess we should have figured that one out when he was asking the other people to move, because there's kind of plenty of room down here. I mean, I shouldn't have to ask anybody to move unless they're physically blocking my trailer in most cases. So there we go. This time he's going to get it over and hopefully start to get it back down the ramp. So they're having to pull forward again. My man's really struggling on trying to get this one down here. So it looks like they finally got the line there. But I say that the Jeep's completely sideways here on the ramp, so he's had to try and adjust it pretty heavily last second to get it down. And I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. It's a bigger trailer, and as many of you know, I mean, if you got a bigger trailer, it's typically a little easier to maneuver than trying to do it like with a smaller trailer. But here goes the other guy they asked to move so they could pull this off. Let's see if he can come down here and crush it. So a little wobble action as he's going, but trying to get it turned back around. He's going to oversteer it just a little bit as well, bringing it back. Struggling to try and find that right point where it's just kind of holding this thing steady. And right here, there we go, finally bringing it down. Are they going to get it? But it looks like, nope, I thought he had it closed out. Has to pull forward, and he's not going to catch it on his first try either. And, oh man, look at this guy. So the single jet ski trailer doesn't look like he's having a good time with it either. I got a feeling that one's going to be even worse than these guys' attempt. So here we go with the single jet ski trailer up there as well, trying to back it down. But he's so far off up there. Oh, man. And our guy here looks like he's ready to try and get this thing loaded up. Okay, so now I'm not sure what's going on here, but the guy from the other truck over there who the Jeep asked to move has now walked over here and is having some words with the guy from the Jeep. So his crew, for the most part, is telling him kind of, hey, just go back over there. Just no worries. I don't know what's going on. Just out of the blue, he just left his truck down there and walked down here and decided he was going to have a few things to say with the guy who was driving the Jeep. So they continue just trying to load their boat. And our guy's just standing down here, and I'm not sure if this crew, the kid in the black is definitely with them. So maybe his crew's like, just get back over here, let's get this boat loaded, and let's get out of here, versus starting whatever mess they're trying to start down here. So our guy here went ahead and got his jet ski trailer loaded up and ready to go. But everybody's still converging down here for some reason. And there we go. Finally, he's going to walk away and let whatever it was go. Again, I'm not sure what happened. He literally unloaded his truck and was just all of a sudden, like, just started walking over to the Jeep guy. I didn't hear anything being said, but here you can still tell the crowd that's over there is still talking to them. And he just walked over and just started talking. And here you can see the green truck with the jet ski trailer. Look up to the top left. He's still up there struggling with that trailer, trying to figure it out. He's been spinning circles for a few minutes, trying to get this thing pointed down toward the ramp, and unsuccessful is the key word there. He's not having much success at all trying to get that done. But our crews come back over here, and they're going to try and load their boat as well. But once again, I thought we were about to see a little commotion down here, and he didn't go running over there either. I mean, it was just a slow walk. In fact, we didn't even really notice it at first until they started arguing a little bit, and then the commotion was there, and we were like, oh, wait a minute, he left this boat, and he was over there, so I didn't even get the walk. We didn't even get him walking over there on film because we were filming something else. But it looks like everything's good now. They're all going to head their separate ways, and speaking of heading their way, we're going to head our way as well and get the heck out of here. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.